Yeah. Using wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby. Oh,
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another fun-filled and easy DIY to share with you guys. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload another video to share with you all. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You know, I really appreciate you guys, as you know. Alright everyone, let's get into the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, here are the items we'll be using for today's DIY. And as usual, they will be listed down below in the description box. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright, we have these containers from the dollar store. They're super cute and the lids are silver and the bottom are white. So we're just going to take off the lids and we're going to join two of the containers together. And I will be using just some hot glue. And like I always say, you can use any adhesive that you would like for your crafting project. And now I got this silver wrap here that I got from Dollarama. I'll just be placing it going right around our container here.
He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. You real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give him me. Cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving.
And I'll also be placing it around the container that we doubled together. Now we have this container, we'll just be blinging out the top part, going right around. And our other two containers, I will be blinging them out with this gem from Totally Dazzled, which I took off the clip off the back. And now we're just going to use some glue and glue it onto our container. And now for the silver lids that we have, I'm just going to be adding a small gem from Totally Dazzled onto the lid. Now we have our containers, two we glued together, one we didn't, but there's a hole on the top. So I just used some glitter paper, cut out two circles, and then I'm just going to glue it on the top to hide the hole that's in our containers. And now we're going to glue our project together, which I will be using some hot glue, and like I say, use any adhesive that you would like. And here we go, our lovely bathroom accessories. Yes, I absolutely love them. They look so super cute. And I placed them on this glass tray here that I had from before. And I think they look so nice. Lovely storage for your vanity within your washroom. I think they look so nice. I love the lids from these containers because they fit exactly onto the round jars that the Dollar Tree has. And they're so nice. Nice and blingy and silver. Very nice. And paired them up with the little gem from Totally Dazzled. And they look absolutely beautiful. I love my Totally Dazzled gems. They make anything look elegant that you add them to. And here they are with some little items in them. We have the cotton ball and the Q-tips. It will look lovely on your vanity in your washroom. Absolutely beautiful. And you know, you can store them in your beauty room. Yes, in your beauty room with little accessories that you'd like to add into them, or even on your dresser in your bedroom. I think they look absolutely beautiful. All blinged out and nice. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of these easy and glam DIY bathroom accessories that we did today. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And give me a like, press that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button like I said, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you. And thank you so much for coming on and spending some time with me with our DIY that we did for today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone. And I will see you on the next one.